Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can make your notification sound louder on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply get to the settings application on your phone, and then from here scroll down until you see the option of sounds and haptics. Tap on it, and then from here you can see a volume adjuster right here. So all you have to do is simply adjust this volume. So you also have to remember that adjusting this volume will also affect all of the alarms, ringtone, and every other sound that your iPhone make. So from here, if I get this adjusted to the max just like this, here you can see just like this. Now I have successfully made the notification of my iPhone louder. Now you can go back and be relaxed because your notification sound will definitely be louder. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.